welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Microsoft MakeCode Arcade and we're in A ZOOKEEPER'S
Adventure.
So first we're going to do ZOOKEEPER Hunt. Let's continue. So it says, Home Sweet Home. Let's get you set up in your new place. From the Sprites category, drag the Set My Sprite to Sprite of Kind Player block into the OnStart container. So, set my sprite. Click the gray box to open the image editor and draw yourself in your best Zookeeper outfit. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the gallery. I'll just pick, how about just a person? This person. Okay, done. Then next. Time to get moving. From the controller category, drag Move My Sprite with buttons into the bottom of the OnStart container. So
we can control our player with arrow keys on the keyboard or the arrow keys
over here
on the arcade. So now we're moving the player.
This will allow you to move your sprite around the screen. Try it on the game screen using the arrow keys on your keyboard or clicking on the joystick. Okay, so I'm using the joysticks right now.
Now we're using the keyboard.
Okay, next. Take a look around the room. From the Scenes category, drag Camera Follow Sprite My Sprite into the bottom of the OnStart container and use the arrow keys to check out the hunt. So, from Scenes, Camera Follow Sprite.
So you can move all around the map, even the map where you can't see.
Okay, so go.
So now we are...
Oh, that's an elephant. Giraffe.
Giraffe peeking through the window.
Because there's a hunt. Map. Cool.
Okay, next.
Fantastic. You're all ready for your first task. Click on the Finish to head out to the zoo.
Okay, so now we're going to explore more. Okay, so there's
Hello.
Giraffe peeking through the window.
It looks so cute.
Okay, there's wood floors. Plant.
Two on each side, I think. No, there's two here, one over here. What's this? A drawer?
I think it's a bed or table or drawer.
But there's no bed in here. I can't sleep in here.
No, you can just sleep on the carpet. Pretty big carpet.
Yeah.
The windows are pretty good. And I can cover the giraffe.
Yeah, because,
Okay.
Well, that was fun. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.